guys, welcome back to Code at Random. So in this video, we are going to implement the concepts we have learned till now in Python. So here I am going to create a calculator in which we will input the type of operation and the values we have to calculate. So in calculator, we all know we have to give two values to the calculator and the operation to be performed on those values. So here we are doing the same. So what format we will follow? We will give the user a line that please enter 1 for addition, enter 2 for subtraction. By this, we will be knowing that what operation to be performed on particular value. So if user enter 1, then we will do addition. If user enter 2, then we will do the subtraction, and so on. And finally, we will ask the user the values on which the operation to be performed. Let's suppose 4 and 5, and our input is 1. So output will be 9 because 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So that's how we are going to do this program. So let's get started. So first of all, in my first line, as you can see, I have given a print statement in which I am telling my user that enter 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, and so on. Here I have also used escape sequences, which we have learned in this series in our first or second video. So escape sequence kya hote hain? There are special characters that by which we can enter a particular special character in our program. So here I am giving the command for the new line. Okay, that first line mein aap enter 1 of for addition print kijiye. Next line mein 2 for subtraction, like this. Our output will be like this. So for this change of line, for this new line, I have to give escape sequence. I hope it is clear. Next, I am asking tell the type of operation. So user will enter 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Then I am taking two values. This is very easy. We have learned in input output video and how to take the input of two numbers in a single line. Next, I have used a new thing here, try. Let's discuss this furthermore. Okay, try and accept is new for you all. हम इसको डिस्कस करेंगे डिटेल में अभी. इसके अंदर मैंने एक if else लगाया है. If else if we know what is if else. तो if else में मैंने प्रोवाइड किया है कि अगर ऑपरेशन की वैल्यू 1 है then we have to add, then subtract. और मल्टीप्लाई अगर 3 है, 4 है तो डिवाइड, 5 है तो मॉड्यूलस, एंड अदरवाइज print invalid operation because our menu contains only 5 values, 5 choices for you, and you have given an invalid operation. So we have to print invalid operation, and finally we are printing the result. Now there are two more lines which are extra and which is new too, that is try and accept. What these guys are doing here? They are doing exception handling. Note this down. Exception handling. Okay. मैथमेटिक्स हमने सबने पढ़ी है. वी नो अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो आंसर आता है नॉट डिफाइंड. मैथमेटिक्स में तो हम नॉट डिफाइंड लिख लेते हैं, लेकिन अगर प्रोग्रामिंग में ऐसा हुआ तो हम क्या करेंगे? तो प्रोग्राम कहेगा एरर. सिंपल सी बात है ना. एंड आवर यूजर इज वेरी नॉटी. अगर आपने ऐसा कोई अगर उसके सामने ऐसा कोई सॉफ्टवेयर है तो उसको टेस्ट करने का जरूर चाहेगा. तो हो सकता है आप में से कोई सोच रहा हो कि अगर मेरे पास कोई ऐसा कोड आता है और मैं उसे रन करूंगा तो मैं जरूर एक वैल्यू ऐसी दूंगा जिससे वो अटक जाए. तो हमें उसको वो मौका नहीं देना है. सो फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग दिस बिफोर हैंडेडली कि अगर यूजर ने हमको 0 दिया, ठीक है, अगर हमको 0 दिया डिनोमिनेटर में हमारे डिवीजन के दौरान, if we are doing division and our denominator is 0, then obviously our code will encounter an error that is 0 division error. The name of this error is 0 division error. अगर ऐसा error आता है इस code में, I have asked my compiler to try this code, and if any error occurs named 0 division error, then print error division by 0 is not allowed. Simple. Let's try this code. Okay. Let's try and run this code. What happens? So I'm running this code. So the menu says that please enter 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, and not all. For example, I've entered 4 and I've entered numbers 23 and 0. So it gives me the output that there is an error with your values, that division by 0 is not allowed. So this is how we make our program smarter, more smarter, to think like a user. Now next, फिर से run करते हैं, run this code again, and now we will provide good set of values to the program so that it can give me correct output. enter the numbers. Let's suppose I have taken the operation 3, that is multiplication. I'm multiplying two numbers. I'm giving like this 34 and 56, and the result is given here. So like this, you can calculate any value, and they based on your operation, you can add more and more operation here. For example, if you want to add some more operations, like we have learned that is bitwise operators and more, any operation you can do like this. You just have to add the in the menu that press this number for this, and you have to add the condition. Okay, so like this, we can also perform left shift, right shift, and many more operators we have learned till now. So by this way, we can create a calculator in Python, and this is very interesting. And you can consider it as a mini project for you all to get started with Python. And this is a very good exercise, I suppose. Later on, we will perform more operations, and we will do lots of projects in the tutorial. Like we will also create a GUI project for calculator, in which we will see actual calculator like we see in digital calculator, in which you can click on that particular operation, as we can see in our mobiles like this, that here are numbers, 9 numbers, and here is the plus operation and the minus operation and the multiplication operation. Like this, we will do this also in this course. So stay tuned till then, because this is just a starting of Python, and we are going to learn about more basics also. So till then, see you guys, see you in the next video. Thank you guys, bye bye.